Hi friends, welcome to your arm weight workout. Today's workout is designed to help you strengthen your arm and improve your posture. And today we're using light weights, so I'm using a 2-pound weight. You can do this whole workout series with or without weights and still get an amazing full body workout. If you are using weights, I recommend using 1 to 3 pound weights. And if you don't have weights around the house, you can also see if there's something that weighs around about that. Just make sure they're equally weighted on both sides and use that as a prop as well. So today's workout is going to be quick and effective, so let's go ahead and get started. To bring your legs hip distance apart, and then rest your hand by your side, melt the shoulder blades down your back, take a big breath in and big breath out. Deep breath in, inhaling through the nose, and exhaling, letting go. As you take this time to transition to your time here on the mat, deep breath in, feeling your whole body expand with fresh air. As you exhale, melt the shoulder blades down your back, letting go of any tension. One more time, full breath in, feeling your whole body rise with energy and fresh air. And as you exhale, melt the spine, soften the shoulders, scoop the abdominals, and gently open your eyes. Bring both hands forward and raise the arms up and palm face forward and bring the hands down by your side. Inhale, reach the arms up, rising the arms up from the back, and you'll notice that connection we have from the arms moving from the back, engaging the upper back to lift the arms up, and exhale to lower. Inhale, lift up, keeping the upper body still, and then exhale to lower. 2 more like that. Lift, rise, and exhale to lower back down, resting the hands by your side. Going into bicep curl. Face the palms towards me. From here, you're gonna bend the elbows, bring the elbows are gonna stay there, just the hand comes in and bring it back down. And pull in and press out. Engage those biceps to lift the arms up. So the work is happening in the whole body to stay stable and mobilized. And being mindful that we're not using just the wrist to lift our body up. We're staying engaged in those biceps as we lift and lower. It's all about those efficient alignment and engagement, right? Last one, and return the hands to your side. Now bring the wrist behind you for a little wrist stretch. So let's go ahead and warm up those joints a little bit more because we're going to be using our arms a lot today. So wrist coming forward and back. Stretching your palms. Let's do 4 more, wrists coming forward and back. 3, 2, last one, and return the hand to the side. Now bring the hands right in front of you, going into bicep curl right out of the shoulders, and bend in and out. So really engaging the arms more than the wrist. So we want to keep those proper alignment and engagement. In and out. Keep the head back, align with your spine. Continue with your breath at your own pace, in and out. You're doing beautiful. Out and in, building those strong arms, beautiful posture. And in. 2 more. Last one, and in. Lower your hands down, roll the shoulder blades back. 3, 2, 1. Now bring the hands up to the side. From here, you're gonna bend in and out. Now add a challenge. If you're good here, you can stay here. If you're looking for more, you can go ahead and lift the heels up and in. So that gives you a little bit more of a balance challenge. Also getting more of the whole body to engage more, especially the legs because they're lifting you up. If this is too much, you can stay down here, okay? And pull in and out. Upper body still, rib cage funneled in. Abdominals are scooped in and up. 3, 2, last one, and out, and lower the arms down. Lift the heels and bring them together. So you're in your Pilates V, the legs are turned out from the hips. Bring the weights together for zip up. So imagine we're gonna zip all the way up through our stomach with our weights, okay? Elbows are wide to the side as you lift, elevate yourself up, and exhale, lower. Elbows come to the side as you lift, and down. Rising straight up and down rather than forward. Imagine a magnet is lifting you up and down. Move those arms from the back and lower. Lift and lower. You're doing beautiful. You can do this. I believe in you. And lower. 4, 3, 2, last one, and lower. Great job, you guys. Let's bring the legs back, hip distance. And now let's go into arm circles. So bringing the hands out to the side. Now if this is too much for your shoulders, you can bend the elbows a little bit or bring the hands more in towards the front. So find what feels best for you today. And we're gonna circle the arms out, around and in, around and in. Anytime if you feel like the weight is too much, you can put the weight down and just continue with the movement of the arms. Still really good workout, even without the weights. So some things to keep in mind is keeping your upper body still as the arms move in the shoulder joints. Let's do 4 more this way. 3, 2, and 1, and lower the arms down. Roll the shoulder blades back. 3, 2, 1, and bring the arms back up. Now we're going the other way. So coming forward, around and up, moving in those shoulder joints, around and up, out, around and in, around and in. If you need to hit pause, take a little break, that's fine too. It's perfectly fine. I'll be here waiting for you, cheering you on. Around and up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Feeling those arms strong. Okay. Now let's go ahead and go on to our triceps. So from here, you're going to go ahead and hinge your hips. So right here, hip crease here. Bring the weights right next to you, and you're going to go press back. And then keep the shoulders down your back. You're going to keep emphasizing on the back. Lift and lower. Now if you're able to bend your knees, you can also do it straight leg. And just in this position going back and in, okay? So just be mindful about what feels best for you today. And we'll do this together. Now this time we're going to keep the arms back and pulse back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands come back down. Set the shoulders down if they've shifted towards your ears. Mine were starting to. And we're going to go pulse back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And return. One more set. Pulses back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nod your chin towards your chest and roll the spine down. Release the shoulder. Let the weights help you relax your shoulder and stack your spine back up, vertebra by vertebra, all the way back up. All right, let's go ahead and come on to bug. From here, bend your knees, hinge your hip back here, and bring your arms out into diagonal. Shoulders align here. From here, you're going to go ahead and bring the arms out to the side. So we're doing the bug with a straight spine in an angle. Anytime you need to, you can straighten your legs more. Press your feet down to balance. Out and in. Making sure the head doesn't come forward as you bring the arms back. And in. Out and in. It's like you're about to sit in a chair, so we're getting a little bit of a glute workout with this, right? Out and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Return the hands and stack your spine back up all the way upright. Going into chest expansion. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Heels are right underneath your hip socket, and bring the hands right in front of you. And rise up as you bring the arms back and lower the arms. Inhale, lift the upper body, lower body, everything up. Inhale, lift and hold, and exhale, lower. And up. Go at your own pace if you need to go slower. Have a laugh if you have a little trip, it happens to be. And up 2, and lift, and lower. Engaging the upper back to move the arms back. Feel the chest open. Elevating up towards the sky. 3, 2, last one, and lower. Roll the shoulder blades back. 3, 2, and 1. From here, bring one arm up for side stretch. Reach your arm up and over, bend the elbow, and stretch there. Let that bottom shoulder relax a little more. And rotate the torso, looking down at that bottom leg. Center yourself and stack your spine back up. Lower the hand down. Inhale, reach the arm up. Exhale, stretch yourself up and over, make a rainbow, and then bend the elbow and twist and rotate to look down towards the ground. Keep the hips stacked, bottom arm and shoulders relaxed, and stack your spine back up and upright and lower. Roll the shoulder blades back, 3, 2, and 1. And let's go down into a roll down with the weights now. With your legs hip distance apart, stand tall, press onto your feet, scoop the abdomen and nod your chin towards your chest. You can bend your knees here if you like, if that feels more comfortable, and roll back down. Stretching the hips, the thighs, the glutes, everything comes down. Let the head hang loose. My body is hanging loose too. Press onto your heels and circle the arms out, around it in. Around it in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Going the other way. 4, 3, 2, 1. And stack your spine back up, vertebra by vertebra. All the way back up. Head is the last thing to come up. All the way back up and over. And turn around to face me. We're going to go into our arm work standing from here. So from here, you're going to bring the hands right in front of you. From here, reach your arms up. Circle out to the side, all the way down, and bring it back to the front. So inhale, lift the arms. Circle wide around, bend the elbows, and return the hands right in front of the shoulder. Inhale, lift up. Circle wide, spread your wings wide, around, and bend and return. Add a challenge, you can lift the heels as you go out, around, and lower yourself. Inhale, lift up, and circle around, bend the elbows, and return. Reach up. Add a chest expansion as you lower the hands. Inhale, lift up, circle the arms, around and in, opening the front of the chest, around and in. Last one, up, circle around, and in, and lower. Bring your hands up to 90 degree, have the palms face each other, then bring your elbows back behind you, past the shoulders, and bring it in. So engaging the arm to press back, more of the emphasis on that back, and out, and in, out, and in. Head stays back, so imagine your arms are making a frame for your face, keeping your face still right there as the arms go back, and in, out, and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring the hands behind your head for shave the head. Bring your heels together, toes apart. Elbows are wide to the side from here. Keeping the feet down to begin, you're going to straighten your arms out into diagonal and bend the elbows to bring the weights back forward. Now for added challenge, if you're looking for more, you're going to lift the heels and press out and in. Getting the whole lower body to work a little harder, building those strong muscles and strong balanced bodies. And up and down. Do you feel it all the way through your upper back? I do. I hope you are too. Out and in. If you need to bring your head a little bit forward, make sure you're not going all the way down. So keeping that head in line with the spine. Imagine there's a magnet pulling you up towards the ceiling. Lift, make sure you bring the elbows all the way back home, out and in. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and lower the body. Let's bring our legs back hip distance apart, going into a roll down. So I'm going to turn over, you can stay where you are so you can see a side profile of this. Legs are hip distance apart, press onto your heel. Imagine your spine is against the wall. Gently peel your head off the wall, then your neck, then your shoulder, upper back, middle back, lower back. Let the head relax. Your nose is pointing between the two legs. And let's make lazy circles here, circling the arm and the shoulder joints. Doesn't that feel so good on the neck and the shoulders as you circle? 3, 2, 1. If you need to, you can bend your knees if there's any tension there. Remember, you don't need to be all the way down here. If it feels better to stay up a little higher, that's good too. So find what feels good today for you today and work accordingly and stack your posture back up vertebra by vertebra all the way back up. Standing tall and strong. And close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, filling the lungs, expand with fresh air. And as you exhale, feeling your strong shoulders and arm, tall posture. And just take this moment to notice how good you feel from inside out. Notice how good it feels to have this healthy habit to take care of yourself, mind, body, and spirit. I'm proud of you. You should be proud of yourself too. Take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, melt your shoulder blades down your back, feeling energized, refreshed, and renewed as you gently open your gaze. And you're done for the day. Great job, you guys. I'll see you again on your mat next time very soon. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel and tap that notification bell. And let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below. See you soon again in the next video.